Replacing the outgoing V12-powered DB11, the AMR variant is Aston Martin's new flagship DB11. Last year, Aston Martin unleashed its new AMR range comprising of hardcore versions of existing road cars inspired by the company's racing machines. Eventually, every Aston Martin model will get the AMR treatment. So far, the automaker has revealed the Rapide AMR, Vantage AMR Pro, and early renders of the Extreme Valkyrie AMR Pro. This week, Aston Martin accidentally revealed the DB11 AMR name on its website, suggesting that the upcoming DBS Superleggera won't be the only hardcore DB11 variant, but now it's official. Unveiled at the company's new Nurburgring-based AMR Performance Center, the Aston Martin DB11 AMR offers more power, increased performance, enhanced driving dynamics and a more characterful exhaust note, as well as a slew of exterior and interior enhancements. Replacing the outgoing V12-powered DB11, the new AMR variant is the new flagship model in the DB11 range, so it will be interesting to see where the DBS Superleggera slots in the range. At its heart is Aston Martin's twin-turbocharged 5.2-liter V12, which has been tuned to deliver 630 horsepower. That's 30 more horses than the outgoing DB11 V12, and 127 more HP than the V8-powered DB11. Torque remains at 516 pounds-to-foot. 0 to 62 miles per hour now takes 3.7 seconds, which is 0.2 seconds faster than the outgoing model, while a top speed of 208 miles per hour makes the DB11 AMR the fastest model in Aston Martin's current production range and one of the fastest GT cars in the world. According to Aston Martin, the DB11 AMR's handling has been refined to deliver a greater sense of connection without harming the supple ride. There's also a new shift calibration for the transmission and a more pronounced exhaust note when sport mode is engaged. Since its initial launch back in 2016, the DB11 range has matured rapidly and intelligently, selling close to 4,200 V12 examples in that period, said Aston Martin CEO Andy Palmer. With the exceptional V8 Coupe and Volante, we felt the V12 could reveal more of its sporting potential, while remaining the consummate GT. By applying a suite of carefully considered performance and styling enhancements, the DB11 AMR is both faster (-208 miles per hour) and more precise. It has a combination that engages and costs in equal measure to create a dynamic and seductive new flagship for the DB11 range, while consolidating the existing V12-powered DB11s as future collectibles. The only V12-powered DB11s available for purchase then are those that remain on dealer lots. Aston Martin confirmed to us that factory orders are now limited to the DB11 AMR. But that's no bad thing. Exposed carbon fiber and gloss black detailing inside and out further distinguishes the DB11 AMR. The exterior features darkened headlight surrounds and taillights complemented by a dark front grille and tailpipes. There's also a gloss black roof strake, side sills and splitter contrasting with exposed carbon fiber on the hood blades and side strakes. Inside, the dark theme continues with monotone leather and Alcantara upholstery and a striking central lime stripe. As standard, the DB11 AMR also comes with a leather sports steering wheel. 3 designer specifications are available, as well as a limited AMR Signature Edition, which stands out thanks to its striking sterling green and lime livery. The exterior is adorned with extensive carbon fiber detailing, while the interior features dark night leather and lime detailing, plus satin dark chrome switchgear and satin carbon fiber trim. Limited to 100 units, the AMR Signature Edition is priced at £201,995, $273,928. Those who want to add more race-inspired touches can choose from an extensive list of optional extras, including a carbon fiber engine cover, exhaust tips, a deployable spoiler, a carbon fiber sports steering wheel and patch shifts. Prices for the Aston Martin DB11 AMR start at $241,000 in the US, with customer deliveries commencing in Q2 2018. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.